Hello friends. Today we'll study whether India should switch from first past the post system to proportional representation or not. So I'll explain it with the form of with the help of some statistics. So as you know, FPTP is first past the post system in which the person who secures the majority of votes will be declared as the winner. So here, if you can see, A secured 38% of votes, B secured 24%, C 18, and D 8, and so on. So here you can see A secures the majority of votes, that is greater than the rest of all. So because it secures 38% of votes, it will be declared as winner in this type of system. So here A is declared as the winner because it secures 38% of vote, which is greater than rest of the all. Now 38, in spite of securing less than 50% of votes, so representing only 38% of the voters, it still is declared as the winner. So this is the limitation, that it is not representative. In spite of securing only 38 people, means only 38 people out of 100 are supporting this candidate. In spite of that, he is declared as elected, and he is now going to represent 100 total population of that constituency in the parliament. So that is the limitation of FPTP. So now we'll go to proportional representation. Proportional representation, so there are various types of proportional representation. One is STV, which is single transferable vote, and another is MMP. So in this we will I have shown the STV, how STV will work. So here, as you can see, in this, preference of the candidates will be in a ballot paper. The voter has to give the preference of the candidates. So here, as you can see, the candidate A has got 35 persons, 35 first preferences. B has 28, C 24, D 13. So first preference, those voters who have marked A as first preference are 35. And to secure the to declare as the winner, the majority is 51. So that is the quota will be, how quota will be calculated: total number of voters, which are 100, upon number of candidates, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So it is 100 upon 2 plus 1, it is 51. So 51 first preferences have to be secured. Now here, as you can see, none of the candidates secures 51. So in this case, D first preference, D has got the least first preference, it got eliminated. So now those ballot papers where D is the first preference, we will see the second preference of those voters. So here we can see A has secured 17 votes, B has 17 second preference, B 27, and C 43. And then they will be some those will be accumulated to the respective candidates as per the second preference. So because you can see A has 17 second preference, so 35 plus 17, that is 52. So it's 52. B 27, 27, that is 55, and C 43, 43, that is 67. So here, as you can see, A has got the majority, B also has got the majority, and C also got the majority. But here, because A has the more first preference votes in the first round, so in spite of having B and C greater than A, but A will be declared as winner because A has got the more first preferences as compared to rest of the all. So because A has got past the quota, so A will be declared as the winner. So A will be declared as the winner here because it secures more, means more first preference as compared to rest of the all. And in the second round, because of the second preference, it has secured the majority, so A will be declared as the winner. So here, as you can see, A, because is getting 52, at least it is not full proportional, it is not fully representative, but still, because it has secured the majority, so it is considered more representative as compared to this STV as compared to FPTP. Okay, now we'll study MMP, which is multi-member, not multi-member, mixed member proportional representation. So next system is mixed member proportional representation, which is actually a combination of FPTP, that is the first past the post, plus proportional representation. So basically, this mixed member proportional representation is a type of system, voting election system, in which for a particular constituency, voter votes actually vote for two things. So one, the candidate will be selected, and secondly, for a particular constituency, a voter votes for a particular candidate, which is who is selected based on FPTP, and the candidate votes for the voter votes for a party also. So he will give that party system will be selected based on proportional representation. So parties will be given first preference, second preference accordingly by the voter. So in this way, 50 candidates, for example, if 100 is the strength of the parliament, and 50 will be selected as FPTP, 50 candidates. So one constituency, one member, similar to FPTP. So those the candidate who is secures the majority of votes in that particular constituency will be declared as the winner. So 50 constituencies, 50 members based on FPTP system. Rest 50 members, because 100 is the strength, rest 50 members will be selected based on the party system. So these party will be given preferences by the voters, and if party A secures 30% of vote, party B 26 of the first preference, party C 24, party D 20%. So based on these percent of representation which those parties secured in the parliament. So for example, if we consider FPTP, based on FPTP, if 18 members of party A are selected, party B 10, party C 13, party D 9. So because in FPTP already the election has been done, and the candidate who is selected based on FPTP, for example, we will count for a particular parliament. So 18 members of party are selected already, and the representation has been 30%. So 12 more are required, because out of 100, 30 should be the members of party A. So because 12 are remaining, so based on proportional representation, 12 will be marked as more 12 members of that party will be selected based on proportional representation. Similarly 26, so 26 members होने चाहिए थे, 10 सेलेक्ट हो गए थे FPTP में, तो 16 PR में हो जाएंगे. तो अगर आप काउंट करेंगे 10 + 16 विच इज़ 26, 24, 13 + 11 विच इज़ 24% रिप्रेजेंटेशन हो गया, क्योंकि ये पार्टी का रिप्रेजेंटेशन है, इतना इंश्योर करना होगा. 9 + 11 20. सो ये बेसिकली ये इससे क्या होगा, पार्टी का जो रिप्रेजेंटेशन है वो इंश्योर हो रहा है कि इतना इतना पार्टी का रिप्रेजेंटेशन है, इतने मेंबर्स उस पार्टी के बेसिकली पहुंच रहे हैं पार्लियामेंट में. तो आप देख रहे हैं FPTP से तो फुल दी रिप्रेजेंटेशन हो गया, जो भी पर्सन जिसको मेजोरिटी में मिला, और जो प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन है उससे पार्टी को बेसिकली रिप्रेजेंटेशन मिल गया. तो बेसिकली इसमें दोनों चीज़ें हैं, एक तो ये दोनों चीज़ें सर्व कर रहा है MMPR, जिसमें आपको रिप्रेजेंटेटिव का डायरेक्टली लिंक है कैंडिडेट से, प्लस पार्टी जो अपनी पॉलिसीज़ है उसको भी आगे बढ़ा सकती है, क्योंकि पार्टी की आइडियोलॉजी होती है. ऑब्वियसली आप जानते हैं मेंबर की आइडियोलॉजी नहीं होती, पार्टी की आइडियोलॉजी होती है. तो पार्टी के जब इतने मेंबर्स, इतनी रिप्रेजेंटेशन मिल रही है, तो बेसिकली एक रिप्रेजेंटेशन जा रहा है उस पार्टी को कि इतने मेंबर सेलेक्ट हो रहे हैं, तो पार्टी अपनी कहीं ना कहीं उस पार्टी की आइडियोलॉजी को इतने लोग सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. रिप्रेजेंटेशन 30, तो 30 मेंबर्स एटलीस्ट 30 मेंबर जा रहे हैं, तो रिप्रेजेंटेशन के बेसिस पे इतने मेंबर सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, उतने लोग जा रहे हैं पार्लियामेंट में उस पर्टिकुलर पार्टी के लिए. तो एक तरह से कम्बिनेशन ऑफ FPTP + PR विच इज़ कंसिडर्ड मोर सुटेबल फॉर इंडिया. सो वी कैन से MMPR हम कर सकते हैं, ये इट इज़ मोर सुटेबल फॉर इंडिया, बट ऑब्वियसली मोर सुटेबल हम कर सकते हैं. सो STV भी कर सकते हैं, या सिंगल ट्रांसफरेबल वोट, या FPTP + PR MMPR भी कर सकते हैं. बट आई थिंक FPTP + PR मोस्ट सुटेबल फॉर इंडिया, क्योंकि इसमें आपका FPTP भी है और PR भी है, दोनों चीज़ें साइमल्टेनियसली चलती हैं, और पार्टीज़ को भी रिप्रेजेंटेशन मिल रहा है और कैंडिडेट को तो FPTP के हिसाब से हो ही रहा है. तो एक तरह से हम बोल सकते हैं FPTP + PR मोर सुटेबल फॉर इंडिया टू बी अडॉप्टेड. ठीक है. सो इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर विल स्टडी यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड. टिल देन, थैंक यू सो मच.